Good morning and hello, I'm Fresco. This is the Forex Supermodel Racing Review and Forex Review for Monday the 21st of November 2022. Unfortunately we got no bets today and we got nothing to review for yesterday. We also had no bets, so we've got no filter 1, no ratio, no alts or no N-1s on our system. So that's where we are. So the count static at plus 53.35. Units in profit from a peak of about 72 plus. So that's the way it is. Monday's pretty scrappy. Tomorrow doesn't look that clever either, but we'll see. On the Forex front, as I say, we've got a sort of a building week really. You've got dollar index, DXY, sort of thinking about coming back up, so the dollar's strengthening at the moment. US 10-year and the 2-year have got and this inverse rate. Remember, this is the price, so you've got this inverse relationship. So as the price comes down, yields are coming up. So we've got yields rising in the bond market in the US, and we've got dollar strength, and arguably that won't be very favourable for gold, and with the gold transmission, so gold's come up and it's coming off a bit, and oil's soft, so oil's soft as well. So and remember, oil's priced in dollars as well. What else we got? Well, Wall Street's equities, if you like. Equities are up near a sort of a dirging around a double top, so the market's undecided there, and it's in a relatively precarious position. And what else we got? So we've got euro weakness off the back of this dollar strength. We've got yen strength, so there's a little bit of risk off at the moment, with Swiss strength. AUD weakness, and NZD weakness, New Zealand dollar. So that's the sort of minor risk off transmissions. So to kick off Monday and the week, we're looking at bit of dollar strength, risk off flows, and yields rising, and all the transmissions sort of generally behaving on that scenario. Right, People's Bank of China kept rates early static, so that was a neutral situation, so nothing exciting there either. And Wednesday the 23rd is our sort of benchmark focus really. You've got New Zealand dollar rates decision and FOMC minutes. Now, so in the meantime, we'll see how that, things are shaping. Looks like the dollar's going to start to come back a bit. It's been sold off quite heavily in the last few weeks or so. So the likelihood is going to get a bit of rebalancing. So if you're trading today, you probably want to be long the dollar, and likelihood you want to be, depending, unless they switch it, you want to be long the yen. So it's likely to stay risk off, but who knows? They're going to mess about around lunchtime. There's not much data out, so the market can be pushed and pulled in all sorts of directions. So that's where we are. We've sort of got a situation of wait and see really, and we're going to build a picture of what's happening this week and pass it on to you. So and on the racing front, well, we had a lay bet on Saturday that was successful, and the last 3 lay bets have won, but you won't get rich doing that because of the nature of the risk reward. But nevertheless, that was useful in the accounts. We stopped the rot in the account. So anyway, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and goodbye.